Hi, in this video I am going to show you how to prepare black rice pudding. This is called Kavuni Arisi in Tamil. The ingredients are black rice 1 cup, sugar 3/4 of a cup, cardamom powder 1 teaspoon, grated coconut half cup, ghee 1 tablespoon, salt 1 pinch and water 3.5 cups. Take 1 cup black rice, wash it thoroughly at least 3 to 4 times and drain the water. You can use drinking water to soak it. Soak it for at least 3 to 5 hours. Soaking it longer will help in easy cooking. Add the soaked rice into the pressure cooker. And I'm going to use the soaked water. So I had 2 cups left in the rice. I added the 2 cups water and then added 1.5 more cups to make it 3.5 cups altogether. Pressure cook it on high medium for 15 minutes and low medium for 10 to 15 more minutes. So totally 30 minutes. Turn off the stove, allow the pressure to be released completely before you open. Check that the rice is cooked very well. If not, cook it further for 5 or 10 more minutes. Turn on the stove on medium heat. Add sugar, 1 pinch salt and cardamom powder. Once the sugar is melted, turn the stove to sim and add the grated coconut and ghee and mix well. At this point, you can turn off the stove. And hot Kavuni Arisi or black rice pudding is ready. Hope you enjoyed this video. And if you like it, please do subscribe for my channel. And more tips for you at the end of this video. Thank you for watching. See you soon again with another recipe.